back, guys, for part number 2 of pistol only challenge. My dad is researching on his phone how to get better accuracy because his accuracy sucks.
You got real funny jokes, kid.
And now I'm going to be working on the scoreboard because, well, Lala accidentally, she accidentally did something, but I'm not going to see it in the video. So, let's get back to the nerd battle. Dun, 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 dun. Look, come over here. I did the list for you. Come on.
Wait.
Ugh. My sister playing with her toys over here. Chicken. Yeah. Okay, take the camera now. Oh. Yeah. Pot. Game starts in 3. Dad, get over here. Dad, get ready. Get short. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna start the challenge in 3, 2, 1. Do this. Look, get in the middle. No. Oh, wait, you need more bullets. Go. Okay, go over there.
I'm going.
Lila, okay, good. No, Lila, you're facing yourself.
I got 5.
No, show me. Okay. So, pass me the tablet.
Back to the action.
Yeah, back to the action.
Missed.
La, stand right there. Stand. And then they can see what's
You
happening.
can also switch. Oh, you can also switch the camera button so that way.
No, I can't do that while you're recording.
Fine, here it comes. Sorry. Sometimes it happens. I shoot the camera lady. My bad. Whoa. I got 2 bullets left, and then this challenge is over. The score is 1-1. I'm gonna win this one.
No, then you come over here to get some more gold.
No, then the challenge is over.
No, it's not.